Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get mention option on WhatsApp business status. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp, an instant messaging app, has rolled out a new tagging feature which allows users to like status update and make mention and reshare status. The new tagging feature aims to offer better engagement on the platform according to the company. With this new feature, user can mention up to 5 individuals in each status and can privately tag someone without displaying their names. So how to get this feature? How if you want to get the mention feature on your WhatsApp business? It's so simple. So first of all, you have to make sure that your WhatsApp is on the latest version. You can check on your App Store or Play Store. If there is an option to update your apps, you can just update the apps. After that, you can just check on your WhatsApp business. I will show you. Like this, I will try to create status. And as you can see on my WhatsApp business status now, I can mention or tag friends on my status. It's so simple, right? So that is how to get mention feature options on your WhatsApp business status. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.